quick grocery haul from Walmart, guys. I don't have time. It started getting cold, so I went and grabbed some stuff. The main stuff that I went to grab is getting super cold. That me and my kids, it was just me and the kids. My husband's at work, so some noodles. And these noodles, we customize them. Yeah, we choose whatever we want, like 2 of each, whatever we choose, and like shrimps, regular shrimp, spicy lamb, or whatever. Yeah, so we custom chose this, and then we get this. I'm about to eat this, one of this, yeah, just like really quick. So I'm hungry, and we got, my daughter picked one and I picked the other one. We needed, on our list, I only had couple of things, because before that we went to Trader Joe's, so we needed some cereals. Like seriously, this little boy couldn't pick, so we just got this and he can eat some. This one is for my youngest daughter. She likes this cookies. This thing, if I let her eat it, it's gonna finish in one day. Like seriously, she eat too much. Like instead of eating it as a breakfast, she eat it any time of the day. Honey bunches, we love honey bunches. Honey bunches, we love honey bunches. Like I feel like me and my oldest daughter, we eat it, and the baby, well, the baby's not the baby anymore, it's like 3 years old, but still my little baby. We needed some rice. I wanted some basmati rice. We get it either at the Asian market or even at Walmart, or sometimes our Trader Joe's, different places. So we need some rice. Like you cannot live in this house without rice. We needed some, we eat fufu, like oh my gosh. Anyways, I was too lazy to go to the African store, so I use this sometimes to eat my ugali or fufu, bukari for the Congolese people. I want this. The other day we had it with some salsa. It was really good, like these tostadas, and they are really delicious. So I don't even know what I'm gonna make with, but I know I wanted some. Mind you, this wasn't on the list, yeah. Some fries, because I'm just too lazy to cut this stuff, peel it and all that stuff, and no, we're doing this. Not that. And this too is for my baby who eats nothing. Well, my baby pretty much eats some, like he loves to eat. He needs to have a meal, so a quick meal for me to make him, instead of spending money going to McDonald's. They just, you know, get the nuggets. Guess what? I also eat them too, so I'm not gonna blame on my baby. What else we got? I need some energy. I work at night. I need the energy, so I get these little energy things. I put them in water and I drink. It helps me at work. And then I need some gum, like I need gum at work, like I don't know. We need some straws. See, the straws are not even for the baby, for the toddler. He's a toddler, he's not even a baby anymore. These straws are for me and Ali. Like we cannot have a drink without a straw. Anyways, yeah. These are for my baby. He's chewing on everything, so instead of like, you know, him chewing on all the sweaters and the coats because it started getting cold, we just got this to try them for like a little sensory. We're missing something. Didn't we get a soda? We got one more thing.
That's all.
Huh?
That's all.
Oh. Yes. We got some soda too, yeah? So Dr. Pepper. But yeah, this is the stuff I got at Walmart. Now, let's see what I got at Trader Joe.